Hello students, how are you? I hope you are fine. I'm fine too. Okay, at first, please revise our previous class, that is rhymes, head and shoulders. Okay, at first, you please look at me and then join with me. Ready? Okay.
Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose, mouth and nose. Eyes and ears, mouth and nose, mouth and nose. Head and shoulders, knees and toes, eyes and ears, mouth and nose.
Very good. খুবই ভালো হয়েছে. Now, please look at the picture. What is it? Yes, it's head. And this? Nose. This? Yeah, very good. Now, please look at this thing. What is it? Do you know? What is it? Yes, it's hair. Again, hair. Again, hair. Very good. Now, please show me on your body. Like this. I'm doing it. Hair. Again, hair. Very good. Now, please look at this thing. What is it? What is it? Yes, it's finger. Very good. Now, show it on your body like this. Finger. Do it with me. Finger. Please, এভাবে করো. Finger. Good. Please smile. Good. That is teeth. Do teeth. Again, teeth. Now, please look at this. What is it? What is it? Hand. Now, show it in your body. Like this. Hand. Again, hand. Good. Now, what is it? What is it? Leg. Good. What is it? Leg. Again, what is it? Leg. Good. Now, touch your leg. Okay, good. Now, everyone, please look at the board. Hair. Repeat after me. Hair. H-A-I-R. Hair. Again. H-A-I-R. Hair. Very good. What is it? Yes, finger. Good. Now, repeat after me. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Again. F-I-N-G-E-R. Finger. Very good. Okay, now look at this. What is it? Teeth. Very good. Teeth. T-E-E-T-H. Teeth. Again, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Again, T-E-E-T-H, teeth. Good. What is it? Yes, hand. Repeat after me. H-A-N-D. Hand. Again. H-A-N-D. Hand. Again. H-A-N-D. Hand. Good. What is it? Leg. Leg. L-E-G. Again. L-E-G. Again. L-E-G. Leg. Very good. Now students, please look at me. What I am doing. I put my hand on my head. How? Like this. I put my hand on my head. Now you have to do it. Put your hand on your head. I put my hand on my head. Now you put your hand on your head. Good. I touch my mouth. Look at me. I touch my mouth. Mouth. Okay, now touch your mouth. Good. Now I touch my nose. You touch your nose. Touch your nose. Good. I put my hand on my knee. Knee. You know knee? Yes, knee. I put my hand on my knee. Put your hand on your knee. Put your hand on your knee. Good. Now, touch your ear. Touch your ear. I touch my ear. I touch my ear. Again, I touch my ear. Touch your ear. Good. Touch your ear. Very good. Now, touch your toes. মনে আছে তো? Toes কোনগুলো? Yes, toes. Toes. Now, touch your toes. Good. Now, do it with me and repeat after me. Okay? Put your hand on your head. Again, put your hand on your head. Good. Touch your mouth. Touch your mouth. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Very good. Again, put your hand on your head. Touch your mouth. Touch your mouth. Touch your nose. Touch your nose. Very good. Now, again, put your hand on your head. Put your hand on your head. Touch your mouth. Touch your nose. Good. Now, next one. Put your hand on your knee. Put your hand on your knee. Okay. Touch your ear. Touch your ear. Good. Now, please do it like this. Touch your toes, touch your toes. Good. Now, the whole rhyme. Do it with me. Put your hand on your head. Touch your mouth, touch your nose. Put your hand on your teeth. Touch your ear, touch your toes. Good. Again. Put your hand on your head. Touch your mouth, touch your nose. Put your hand on your knee. Touch your ear, touch your toes. Very good. খুবই ভালো হয়েছে। Okay students, please take your pen and notebook. ওকে, এবার আমি যে কাজটি করছি তা হচ্ছে আমাদের যে ওয়ার্ডগুলো আমরা শিখেছি এ পর্যন্ত সেই ওয়ার্ডগুলোকে আমি একটু অন্যরকম করে লিখব। তার মানে হচ্ছে অ্যালফাবেটগুলোকে আমি এদিক সেদিক করে দেব। তোমাদেরকে যে কাজটি করতে হবে তা হচ্ছে সেই ওলট পালট অ্যালফাবেটগুলোকে অ্যারেঞ্জ করে নতুন ওয়ার্ড তৈরি করতে হবে। ওকে, okay. Now please arrange the letters and form the new word. Okay, I hope you have written it. Okay, now let's check. Okay, what is this? Yes, তোমরা ঠিকই ধরেছো, এটি হচ্ছে hair. H A I R. Hair. Good. Now এটা কি হবে তাহলে? Yes, head. H E A D. Head. Okay. Now this. এটাকে তোমরা কি লিখেছ? Good. Teeth. Very good. Teeth. T E E T H. Teeth. Good. Teeth. Very good. This word? Yes, it's finger. F I N G E R. Finger. Good. Finger. And now that is, yes, it's mouth. M O U T H. Mouth. Good. তোমাদের অন্য ওয়ার্ডগুলো নিশ্চয়ই মনে আছে? তোমরা কিন্তু চাইলে এইভাবে বাসায় খেলাটি খেলতে পারো। তোমাদের এই অবসর সময়টি ভালো কেটে যাবে। চলো এবার আমরা রাইমসটি আবার করি। ওকে, লেটস স্টার্ট। Put your hand on your head. touch your mouth, touch your nose, put your hand on your knee, touch your ear, touch your toes. Very good. এবার যে কাজটি করতে হবে, এবার হচ্ছে তোমাদের হোমওয়ার্কের পালা। তো হোমওয়ার্কের ক্ষেত্রে তোমরা যে কাজটি করবে, প্রথমে আমরা রাইমসটি ভালো করে প্র্যাকটিস করব বাসায়, এবং তারপর এই রাইমসে আমরা যেই বডি পার্টসগুলো জানলাম সেই বডি পার্টসের নামগুলো আমরা খাতায় লিখব পুরো পৃষ্ঠা ভরে। ওকে, তো আমাদের এই রাইমসে বডি পার্টস কী কী ছিল? ওকে, লেটস চেক। প্রথমে ছিল put your hand, that means hand, on your head। তাহলে তোমাকে লিখতে হবে hand, head। Homework: hand, head, hand, head. Good. Put your hand on your head. তারপর বলেছিলাম touch your mouth, তার মানে এরপরে বডি পার্টসটি হচ্ছে মাউথ। Touch your nose, nose. Put your hand on your knee. Okay, good. Knee. তারপর বলেছিলাম touch your ear. Good. Ear. এরপর সবার শেষে বলেছিলাম touch your toes. Good. Toes. Okay, let's check and repeat after me, please. First, hand, hand, head, head, mouth, mouth, nose, nose, knee, knee, ear, ear, toes, toes. Very good. Now it's your homework. You have to write on your notebook. Okay, please stay at home, stay safe. Goodbye.